Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are talking about one topic, that is currencies. And in currencies, basically we have discussed lots of things. Lots of things means lots of things. And in this, basically we discussed the two planets also, basically. How basically Earth planet actually created two planets. That is basically the tomato planet and potato planet, basically. In this potato planet, I will take one matrix basically that will clear lots of things basically. First, basically, Earth planet. Earth planet decided that they want to take the control over few entire little bit universe space. So they created few space in one city. Assume that they created one city. They created one city, and the city basically name given as anything basically, like Accenture. The city name was Accenture. In the Accenture city, basically they created two space. One was for potato energy. Second basically was for tomato energy. Right. Now basically they started creating tomato and potato also from that energy. This everything basically is created by CRM software. CRM software was generating jet data. Tomato basically was getting created. How basically this process is, that basically I have already discussed. Now basically what happened? They told that basically now basically we have to jump in the universe basically. So they basically start passing the data to universe. They created the planet. They created 3 lakh planet basically. How they created, that we will discuss later on. How basically they created, that we will discuss later. That is also connected with this 6 crore people basically. The space basically was allocated and the Earth planet passed. That area basically is going to convert to planet. This is the basically simple way how basically the planet creates. Like this basically 3 lakh planet basically created with the help of 900 crore population. This is created. Now the planet was placed in right side of the where basically I am sitting. From left side where basically I am sitting. There from there basically 5 crore planet basically passed. They basically got attracted from this 3 lakh planets, 6 lakh planet. 5 crore planet basically got the data of tomato and potato. That is clear. Now basically 5 crore planet basically just have the tomato and potato energy basically. Assume that basically the human basically also birth started and they basically started living also basically. But still basically potato and planet basically idea basically, what was that idea basically, that basically we will discuss later on. Basically idea equal to computer creation basically. Computer is created in the Earth planet. That is basically one idea which is basically has came from other planet. That is clear. Now basically 5 crore planet basically created, energy placed in the tomato energy and potato energy basically of the planet basically placed in the 5 crore planets. Now basically just now still basically the human basically generation started. Nothing basically has activated, right? Activation has not happened yet of that idea basically. Idea equal to that, what actually idea I have already discussed. Now basically Earth planet told that basically when should we activate this here planet? When we should basically activate. Earth planet told that basically when we will pass this data basically. Assume that one story basically they passed. When the story basically is going to generate in that planet basically, then basically activation is going to start. So basically they passed, assume that two friends story. One was girl and one was boy. They were childhood friend basically, like this basically, assume that basically. They passed the story. The tomato energy and potato energy planets basically, each 5 crore planet basically, they got that story also. Like this basically story started generating. As the story was getting generated, the trigger basically was, trigger means when the uh, tomato and potato energy is going to start attracting. That turning point was they reached to I think some college time basically. That time basically they attracted with each other, attracted with each other basically. That was the basically the turning point, and that basically triggered. And if I in each basically 5 crore planet basically the activation started of that potato and tomato energy. So tomato and potato energy basically started creating the process. They started creating the process like this basically, the spread the data, and then basically the energy basically started. Now here basically what happened, as the data was going, there also basically things was happening. There also basically things was happening. From here basically the data was getting passed. There basically set of process was happening. Process was happening. So idea basically got generated. From here, one satellite basically was taking the latest data of the tomato and planet energy basically. Like this, the data basically which was taken, they basically have not taken in the Earth planet basically. Otherwise, it might possible that it might create something big issue basically. That's why they have not taken the data. They were checking it, and basically they were recorrecting each and everything, and then basically they were passing the data. Like this, the basically things generated. Like so, this was one idea basically created by Earth planet. There basically lots of disease also basically generated. Lots of disease also basically generated. Just see basically how dangerous things basically are connected. Disease generated. That means nothing basically is controlled with the with Earth planet. That basically I want to say that. Disease generated. Now basically what happened? After disease generated, the satellite group basically checked the data, and they told that basically this type of thing basically need to create in the planet potato area and tomato area. They created it, and the medicine basically got created, and they sent, and then basically they got the medicine. There basically nuclear power company and the energy basically was there. They collected it, and then basically they created the medicine. Like this basically the medicine also got, disease was also basically gone. So like this basically I want to say that if any new disease is coming, you have to track up to this level basically. It might possible that some new idea basically might have entered in the planet. Same way basically Earth planet has passed the tomato and potato energy. That was why, because the requirement was 5 crore. Here basically I'm just taking example of 5 crore planet. 5 crore people basically, 5 crore people example. 5 crore people are going to generate one energy which is going to place that side, and in that side basically, the planet is, Earth planet is going to move. That's why basically. So same way here also basically it's like that basically. Each and every universe basically is creating each and every planets. Each and every planets are creating planets. Planets basically are creating a planet's energy, and then basically planets are creating. It's basically like this only basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this creation.